Touchfire Ultra Protective Case, 3D Keyboard, Sound Booster and Magnetic Mount for iPad 2, 3, 4, Red. A dozen ergonomic viewing and typing positions ensures a perfect fit for every situation. Some positions are even micro-adjustable. Type faster and more accurately, guaranteed. World's thinnest, lightest iPad keyboard adds patented 3D keys on top of your iPad's on-screen keyboard. Snaps into place magnetically, so it's always right where you need it. Quickly retracts when you want to use the full screen. Can also attach magnetically to the cover, completely out of the way. Integrated sound booster, now you can enjoy your music and videos without needing an extra speaker. Built-in magnetic mount, attach your iPad to the fridge, to a whiteboard, or onto any other magnetic surface. Now, so many more uses for your iPad. Built tough, built smart. Touchfire fits your iPad like a glove, sleek and lightweight, yet highly protective. Beautiful, high-grip outer material keeps your iPad from slipping out of your hand and provides the first level of protection. The shock-absorbent interior works like a bicycle helmet. Your iPad is suspended on ribs that isolate it from drops. Your screen is surrounded by subtle side guards that protect it from damage even when the cover is open. And a strong magnetic latch keeps the cover closed when you're on the move. Now you can take your iPad anywhere without worry. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.